Good day, everyone, especially to you, ma'am. I am Denbert Idoria, together with my companion, Mr. Alan Fernandez. We will discussing emotional development, specifically focusing on self-concept and self-esteem, as well as emotional regulation and expression. But first, what is emotional development? Emotional development is the process of learning to understand, express, and manage emotion as a person grows. It includes recognizing feelings and controlling emotional reactions and developing healthy ways to communicate emotional emotions. This growth helps individuals build confidence, form positive relationships, and handle challenges in daily life. By the end of the discussion, the students should able to define emotional development and understand its importance, explain self-concept and self-esteem, and how they influence behavior, describe emotional regulation and emotional expression, identify the real life and classroom example that show emotional development in action.
Overview. Number 1. What emotional development involves? A. Understanding emotions. Recognizing one's own feelings. Example: anger, sad, joy, and fear. Identifying emotion in other through facial expressions, tone, and behavior. Understanding that people can feel different emotions at the same time. B. Expressing emotions. Learning appropriate ways to communicate feelings. Using language, behavior, or gestures to express emotions. Developing empathy, responding emotionally to others. C. Regulating emotions. Managing intense emotions, for example, anger, excitement, and frustration. Developing coping strategies. Increasing self-control and flexibility in emotional responses. D. Using emotions in thinking. Using feelings to guide decisions. For example, avoiding danger and seeking support. Balancing emotional and logical thinking. Number 2. Key stage of emotional development. Babies first communicate through crying and body language. Develop attachment to caregivers. Begin to show basic emotions. For example, joy, fear, anger, and later self-conscious emotions. Early childhood, 2 to 6 years. Rapid growth in emotional vocabulary. Beginning to regulate feelings with adult. Start understanding others' emotions. Still prone to emotional outbursts because self-regulation is developing. Middle childhood, 6 to 12 years. Better at managing emotions independently. Understand complex emotions, for example, guilt, shame, and envy. Learn display rules, when to hide or show emotions socially. Leadership becomes emotionally important. Adolescence, 12 to 18 years. Emotions intensify due to hormonal and social changes. Increased self-awareness and identity formation. Peer relationships relationships, and social comparisons strongly influence emotional states, developing long-term coping skills. Adulthood. Emotional regulation becomes more stable. Empathy, relationship skills, and perspective taking deepen. Emotional maturity involves balancing personal needs with interpersonal sensitivity. Number 3. Influences on emotional development. Biological. 3. Influences on emotional development. Biological. Temperament. Brain development, especially areas related to self-control and empathy. Caregiver behavior and attachment style. Family emotional climate. For example, supportive versus stressful. Culture and social expectations. Experiential. Life events, for example, trauma, success, social experiences. Opportunities to practice emotional problem solving. Cognitive. Language skills enable better emotional expression. Perspective taking supports empathy and conflict resolution. Number 4. Why emotional development matters. Supports healthy relationships, enhances resilience and stress management, improves academic and hard work performance, reduces risk of mental.
And now, let's proceed to self-concept and self-esteem.
I will discuss first the self-concept. Self-concept is how a person perceives and understands themselves, their abilities, personality, and overall identity. Self-concept daw is how we see and how we see and understand ourselves. Yun sa nato pagtanaw o pagsabot ang atong kaugalingon. Like for example, ako day si Dinbert Edoria, buotan kay ko nga bata, sada kayo ko kauban, akong talent kay mupakatawa sa mga tao. And that's the example of how I see and understand myself. And it also the self-concept develops through experience, interaction with family and peers, and feedback from the environment.
Second is self-esteem. Self-esteem refers to the value or worth a person places on themselves. It's how much we appreciate and accept who we are. Self-esteem is about how we see and feel about ourselves. It shows the value or importance we give to ourselves. We, when we have healthy self-esteem, we accept our strength and weaknesses, appreciate our ability, and believe we deserve respect and happiness. In short, in short, it it's the confidence and self-worth that help us face challenges, make decisions, and interact positively with others. Self-esteem is how you feel about yourself, whether you feel confident, proud, or important. For example, nag ako nagtuo ko sa akong kaugalingon nga bisan pag unsa ka lisod ang eskwela mapadayon japon ko kay kabalo ko nga kaya nako muhuman. And that's the example of self-esteem, that how much a person believes in themselves.
Emotional regulation means controlling your feelings so you don't overreact. It's about staying calm and handling emotions in a healthy way. For example, you feel angry at a classmate, but instead of shouting, you take a deep breath of calming down. So, kini siya nga topic, ay kini siya na pagkuan topic is to control your feelings. So, emotional expression means showing off or sharing your feelings in a clear and appropriate way, like telling someone you're sad or showing that you're happy. For example, you feel sad, so you tell your friend or parent how you feel. So, ang emotional expression is pag-show sa imong emotions, pagpakita nimo sa isa ka tawo kung unsay imong nabati. Overall, ang emotional regulations is to control your emotions. So mo na yang gamon i-control iyang emotion, while emotional expression is to show your emotion. So ipakita nimo imong tinuod na nabati.